Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you all know, in primary 3 we have completed all the work of the chapter The Beautiful Names of Allah the Almighty. Allah the Almighty has a total of 99 names and they are known as Asma ul Husna, which means beautiful names. So this is your chapter. We had completed the question answers, the fill in the blanks, and then the activity was given to you as your homework. So I hope you have completed all of this. This question of the think and answer was also completed, which we had done in the notebook. Allah the Almighty is the master of numerous qualities, and each of his names signifies unique qualities and characteristics. Then we had discussed about personal and descriptive names. If a person is named Danish and he has also memorized the Quran, so he is called Hafiz. And if he recites the Quran with proper pronunciation, then he is called Qari, one who does Qiraat. Danish is his personal name, while Hafiz and Qari are his descriptive names, which signify his qualities. Similarly, the personal and unique name of Allah the Almighty is Allah, while the other 99 names are his descriptive names, and these names they describe his unique qualities. For example, Ar-Razaq, the sustainer, the provider; Al-Qadir, powerful, the one who has power over all things. Allah the Almighty says in the Quran, and to Allah belong the best names, so invoke him, which means call him by them. There's also an ahadith which is that if a person memorizes the 99 names of Allah the Almighty, he will go to paradise. The most repeated descriptive names of Allah the Almighty are Ar-Rahman, the most compassionate, and Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Ar-Rahman means the one whose mercy is overflowing, and Ar-Rahim means the one whose mercy is continuous and permanent. Both of these descriptive names, which are Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim, are found in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which means in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. So this is the index of all the topics which were covered in this chapter. We had covered the question answers in the class. This activity was also given to you as your homework, so I hope you have completed it in your notebook. Then we had completed the think and answer. And the fill in the blanks. Number 1, he is a master of numerous qualities and characteristics. Number 2, the personal and unique name of Allah is Allah. Number 3, Allah the Almighty has dash over all things, power over all things. So this was all the work which was completed in this chapter, and I hope everybody has completed all the work. In the next class, a quiz will be conducted of this chapter, The Beautiful Names of Allah the Almighty. That is all. Thank you and Jazakallah.